Welcome. I'm tired of looking at the tub full of water lines and water heaters and fittings and everything, so we're going to try to install some today. I have my work area organized. I have my tool area organized. We're ready to go. You ready to get to work, supervisor? Okay, let's do this. Don't know how far I'm going to get. Well, obviously I'm going to be done by the time this video shows up, but it might be a while. Like this long. Pre-clamping this so that I don't have to reach in there and do it later. I got to clamp this one, but I'm going to have to drill all of these because at the moment this pivots. So I need to build 3 more of these elbows, put them here, here, and here, drill these holes, and I'm probably going to have to do all that at once to get it through the holes. Pull it back a little bit. We start it right there. We start that one. We start that one. And we start that one. And where are we catching? There it goes. Just like that. Oh yeah, perfect. How many I got left? Oh, look at that. I have one left. Let's dry fit this, as they call it. Not that far away because the... Carl, it was Daddy. It was Daddy. Listen. It was Daddy. Okay. How about right there? I'll slip that on. That looks pretty good. Oh, that's tough. Got it. There. Yeah, look at that. Fancy. I'm just kind of eyeing this. And I don't like doing all of this without the clamps, but it is what it is for today. Because you can always cut it shorter, you can't cut it longer. So now I'm done because I'm out of clamps and I'm out of elbows. Hey, we're back. This morning, yeah, it's this morning. Clamping all these. If you remember from a second ago, I ran out of elbows and clamps, so I got more. Hold the pliers. If I ask you later what I did with the clamps, I put them in my pocket. Oh, what was that? Little band pop. There we go. Perfect. Well, it's a pasty one in the bathroom today. Humid is what I meant to say. I'm going to attempt to install the bathtub faucets and the kitchen. It's hot. I can't think of my words. I want to put the part where the water comes out first, and then the part where you turn it on and off in hot and cold second. The instructions are horrible. Hot water turner-oner thing. And what is confusing to me is why the outlet is on the top when they know that the faucet. Put in the comments below, what do you call the faucet and the faucet? Kind of hoping I'd... Whoop. I want to take a little break and get something to drink. I'm gonna get that off of me, show you this. What do you think? If you look from this side, this wall is supposed to hit right here. Hopefully it does. If I need to adjust it, it's a matter of simply taking these 4 screws out, moving it in or out. That's what I got to do. If you stuck around this long, I appreciate that. Please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button. Hit that bell. I enjoyed making the videos, and I enjoyed the comments, and I enjoy you watching. Badger Dad made a comment that the video should be shorter. So, one project done in, I don't know, 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.